Turn me up, dummy.
AD, can you play that for me?
Music. Man, this dude's
And they love them some me. Nothing the best in your side, the right to my side. I know people that would have
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm like dumb hyped to be filming today's video because I'm actually going to be showing you guys my little go-to 15-minute summer glow up. Since you guys loved my spring 15-minute go-to makeup routine, I decided to show you guys my summer version and all of my go-to summer products. And you guys, this is the face, okay? It's giving real summer. I'm obsessed right now with yellow orange blush, so you guys are going to see all of the products that I used on my skin. And we used a tinted moisturizer. We do not have on foundation, and the skin, honey, is still looking snatched. She's still looking like skin. We're still giving glowy because in the summertime I still want my complexion to look nice and flawless, but I want my skin to breathe at the same time. And I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, Leslie, you got braids. Yes, you guys, this is kind of like every hot girl summer go-to hairstyle. Like, I'm seeing all the baddies right now with box braids. So if you're rocking box braids right now currently, like your girl, then shout out to you. But yeah, you guys, this is actually my first time getting my hair braided ever in my life. So yeah, what do you guys think? I am obsessed with it, you guys, and it's literally the best summer protective hairstyle. You just wake up and go, bitch, you're out of the door. So honey, I'm thinking about just getting more braids. Let's jump straight into this go-to summer bad bitch glow up. We don't got time, but we got activities to do, and our friends is outside. Period. Let's go. Alright, beauties, so you already know how we do. Jumping straight into voiceover. I know it's been a while, but the brows is already on and the nails are did, you guys. I went for a short little simple moment, but in my last video I didn't get to show you guys my little quick easy brow routine, so I'm just going to show you guys my products because I don't want to be here all day. Okay, so first things first, I'm using my Anastasia brow freeze gel and of course my Morphe micro brow pencil. This is only $5, you guys. And of course, for those little hair strokes, I'll go in with the Benefit micro filling pen. So of course, we got to get rid of this bonnet because, girl, I don't want y'all to be seeing my little bonnet head all day. Okay, so we not about to be bonnet baby this whole entire video. So I'm gonna go ahead and release my braids, but I do not want them in my face. Okay, that's first things first. So I'm just gonna put them in a little ponytail. And you guys, I love all the hairstyles that you can do with the braids. Super cute. But the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is take care of this skin. And we do have a sponsor for today's video, and shout out to TEAMI, you guys. So we got to get this skin nice and popping. So for that, I'm going to be using my TEAMI vitamin C serum, you guys. First things first, look at my skin before we put on the serum, and I'm about to put y'all on right now because if you want the instant glow serum, I'm telling you guys, this is their brightening and tightening serum. And I've talked about this serum so many times, and all I do is go ahead and work it into my skin. It is kind of like a jelly type of consistency, and it is very cooling. I love it so much, you guys, and my skin just soaks this up. I am dry, so I want something to give me a nice hydration but give my skin a nice glow at the same time. And my favorite part about this product is of course the texture of it. My skin just soaks it up, and it is perfect for makeup because it does kind of have a little sticky grip to it at the end. And you guys, it's perfect. Do you guys see that glow that it just left my skin? And like I said, I am just showing you guys the texture that it is a little bit sticky. And like I said, vitamin C is amazing for discoloration, and it is amazing for texture. And of course, I do have a coupon code, so I will definitely leave it down in the description, and of course the link to this product. So all you have to do is just one click, and of course I got you with 20% off, girl, don't worry. And like I said, before any makeup look, the skin gotta be nice and popping. So one time for the skin check. Yes, girl, we're glowing for the gods. So moving along, now we're gonna move on to primer. I am gonna be using the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. This is actually a new product on the market, and girl, I've actually been liking it because lately my cheeks been getting a little bit bumpy. Like I said, giving me some texture. It's hot outside, so this is actually going to fight acne underneath your makeup and also fill in your pores at the same time. And it's affordable, so I'm here for it, sis. Let's go. And I'm using this on a flat little foundation brush, so that just so that way I can pack in my pores. And last but not least, and one more step for hydration, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Setting Spray. Hydro Grip Setting Spray. This is also going to give my skin a little bit tackiness, so that way this could really grab on to not my foundation but my tinted moisturizer. And for for that, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm in the shade number 8. And you guys, I love applying this. It's so fun to do my makeup nowadays because of this bottle. Like, I just squeeze it onto my face. I don't have to put it on the back of my hand. It's like super easy to apply. Like, I'm here for it. Like, I love this. Yes. So yeah, so to apply that, I am gonna also use the ELF. This is the duo brush, and if you want maximum coverage, even though we're using a tinted moisturizer, I definitely recommend packing on your foundation with a brush rather than a beauty blender, because a beauty blender is, like I said, gonna like soak up a bit of your product. And girl, even though we're using a tinted moisturizer, I still want this bitch to be full coverage. Okay, so I'm also leaving the footage of me actually blending in my foundation because I want you guys to see the coverage and how well this blends into the skin. And you guys, it's definitely a really good color match. And I also put this on my eyelids as well because girl, we don't got time. This is a 15-minute routine, so we don't got time. We just gonna go ahead and be sloppy with it. And like I said, you can still see the glow underneath from the serum, and it's just so beautiful. I love it, you guys. Love, 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 love this tinted moisturizer. Now for cream bronzer, I'm gonna be using another ELF product. This is their Putty bronzer. Okay, and like I told you guys in my unboxing, I was a little annoyed with the packaging because it's tiny, but anyways, I went in with my Fenty Beauty brush to go ahead and dab this on. And by the way, this one is in the shade Golden Daze, and it's a perfect shade for my skin. I will say this cream bronzer is a bit thin, so you do have to build it up. It's not one of those like super pigmented bronzers, so it's perfect for every day. So yeah, like I said, you do have to build it up to the pigmentation that you want, which like I said, I don't mind. So since we are using a tinted moisturizer, I do want a full coverage concealer. So that's like the little trick to my little everyday makeup routine. It's not full coverage on the skin, but honey, we're doing full coverage underneath the eyes. Okay, so that's how you still get your skin to look beat, even though like I said, we're not using a full coverage foundation. So for concealer today, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade Cashmere, I believe, and it does have a little bit of a yellow undertone, which is perfect for brightening. So even though you're tired or whatever, you guys, this is going to literally brighten up those under eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm pulling it all the way to my temples so that way I could give a very lifted, sculpted look. Okay, so now to set those under eyes, I'm using the I Love Makeup Revolution. This one is their banana setting powder, and you guys, I like this powder, but then some days I don't, to be honest. So just go ahead and use your favorite setting powder, because like I said, I'm trying to like this one, but it's still a little iffy to me. But it is cute, it's cute, so I don't want to bash it. But anyway, to set my foundation, like I said, I do want to go in with something that does have a little bit more coverage. So this one is the Fenty. This is the Pro Filter setting powder, and this one is a little bit of a matte powder, so it's gonna literally like set that tinted moisturizer. Now I know you're wondering, like, Leslie, you're putting cream blush over your powder, but this is the MMMICHELL blushers, and you guys, this formula, you can actually put it over your powder or underneath. And I actually like to prefer to put this product over my powder because it leaves more or less like a dewy finish to my blush, and it doesn't leave it so matte. So if you guys can see, it actually adds a little bit of radiance to my skin. So I actually prefer to put it over, but you could do what you do, and like I said, use your products how you want to use them. By the way, this stunning yellow orange shade is in the shade Mango Daiquiri, and I've been loving a yellow orange tone blush. Oh, sickening. But anyways, moving along. So for my bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Matte MONOI bronzer, and this one is in the shade Matte Sunkissed, which is the more warmer one. And girl, this one smells like literally tropical coconuts. I love, love, love the way this smells. It makes you want to like literally use it and do your makeup every day with it. So yeah, that's literally like why I'm using it, honestly. But anyways, and it's good. But moving on to blush, this is the CHIC palette from Scott Barnes. You guys, this is a gorgeous blush palette, and of course I went in with that yellowy orange shade to match my cream blush, and this one is in the shade Mango Fizz, which is crazy because the cream blush is called Mango Daiquiri. So yes, give me all the mango vibes for these damn cheeks. Okay, and yes, I know you probably like, it's a lot of blush, but like I said, it will all fall in together once we do the eyes and the lips. And like I said, I am gonna go ahead and blend it out. But now I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. So I am gonna kind of like do a little duo. So the first highlighter is the L'Oreal Gilded Honey, which complements the blush so much, you guys, because this one is more of like a yellowy golden tone. But yeah, no, I always have to be a little bit extra. So, and oh, I also wanted to mention, nowadays I'm living living for like a lot of highlighter again. At first I didn't like it. I wanted to be more matte. Like, I don't know, I just liked more matte skin, but now I'm just into like a lot of highlighter. So anyways, now I'm going in with the Anastasia highlighter, and this one's in the shade Iced Out, but I'm only going to go in with a tiny little bit on the high points of my cheeks. And I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but it does add a little bit more of a yellowy tone, because this Iced Out highlighter is literally so like white and golden yellowy. I can't really explain it, it's just so fire. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my inner corner as well. And as you guys can see, I have not set my eyelids yet. They're literally just like chilling, okay, from the concealer. But now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe 2. This is the Eye Jelly Shimmer in the shade WOAH, which is a beautiful bronzy shade. And girl, when I tell you this eye look is super easy, super beginner friendly, like anybody and their moms could do it. Like girl, I'm telling you, all you gotta do is grab a brush, or if you don't got acrylics, you can even go in with your fingers like me. I actually prefer to dab this on with my fingers because this does have like little chunks of glitter, so you want to go ahead and like pat them out. And girl, I'm going above my lid to give it like a nice blown out effect. And then to like blow out those edges, because you do want something in the background, I just went ahead with some more bronzer right ahead in those crease and just blending out those edges, finessing it, you know how I do. And bitch, yes, easy 1 2 3 15-minute eye look, and we're out. You don't even need to set the eye jelly, like it sets on its own, like you're done. So of course, with eyelashes, I'm gonna go ahead with my eyelashes. This is the Heather M Cosmetics X Leslie Marie eyelashes in Autumn, and these are my perfect everyday eyelashes. And I know you're like, girl, they're sold out, but do not worry, we are about to restock soon, so be on the lookout, prima donnas, because yes, we are restocking. And hint, there is a new lash coming out. So to prep my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and curl them with my elf eyelash curler. And for mascara, I've actually been loving the Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara, and you guys can see the wand, and it's just amazing. I love the consistency also of this mascara. It's like super thick and makes your eyelashes dumb black. And I wanted to show you guys me popping on my lashes, because when I tell you, I put on my lashes so quick, and these eyelashes are so flexible, like they mold onto your eye once you wear them like once or twice. So bitch, I popped them on in 1 2 3, and look at those. Yes, for the autumn lash. Okay honey, boom, you need them. So be on the lookout for the restock, and like I said, I'll keep all the updates on my Instagram story. So yeah, next product is the ColourPop gel liner. And bitch, if you do not wear brown liner, you're missing out, especially if you have brown eyes. Like sis, look at that, look at that. It just complemented my brown eyes so nicely. I love brown liner. And these ColourPop ones, they literally glide onto your waterline like butter. So I literally have them in every single shade. So now to blow out my lower lash line, I'm going to take even more bronzer, you guys. No eyeshadow here. We're just using some damn bronzer and popping that on the lower lash line. You guys, if y'all hear yelling in the background, Autumn and my nephew is going crazy. So do not mind them. Yeah, they're in their prime right now. They're going off. So anyways, back to these eyes now that they're all complete. Now last thing, oh wait, actually I lied. I'm actually putting more of that Anastasia highlighter onto my brow bone, because I'm here for all the shimmer for this look, okay? So yeah, last but not least is the lips. And I was so upset because I didn't get my lip liner on camera. So as you can see, also my light is playing, so it's always at the end when my camera or something want to just be blowing mine. But anyways, you guys get the point. This is the Cara Beauty Hot Cocoa Lip Liner. And moving on to gloss, wait, lies. I'm actually just going to pop on a lipstick. This is the NYX Matte Suede lipstick in the shade Dainty Daze, just so that way I can lighten up the center of the lips. But the star of the show for this lip combo, honestly, is this e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. You guys, this gloss is so fire. This one is in the shade Peach Bellini. And it's just a perfect nude. Do y'all see that though? Do y'all see that gloss though? Like, this is literally makeup porn. I had to leave all the footage of this gloss in because girl, this makeup look would not be the makeup look honestly without this gloss. Like, oh, I love this fucking gloss. Nah, it's really just so fire. So now I'm activated. Now I'm feeling myself. Oof, yes, love it. And do y'all see the skin? I love this look so much. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and set that. So we want to go back in with the setting spray. So the same setting spray I used to prime, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to set it. So that's the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. It is so good, you guys, like I said, to prime, refresh, set, whatever you need to do. And my fan died, so now I'm being ratchet or whatever using my mirror. But now I'm gonna be a little bit more extra, and I'm just gonna put my Body Glow. This is like if you're wearing something that's showing your shoulders, this is the last finishing touch. So this is the Morphe X Avani Greg, the Face and Body Glow. And girl, like I said, this is my shit right now, because it's not like an oily ass consistency. It's more like a lotion, and it doesn't like really transfer, which I hate, like body oils and stuff that transfer. So I highly recommend this one, and it is in a beautiful golden shade. But yeah, just go ahead and put that on with like a little packing kabuki brush that's like made for body glows and stuff. So yeah, you just want to make sure that that's nice and blended really deep into your skin, because it can be a little bit patchy. But yeah, now that my shoulders are beaming, okay, do not forget your chest. Don't forget it, because sometimes I be forgetting, and then it's like, well, what's going on here? But yes, now a bitch is at 100%. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and let down my braids, and I actually decided to show you guys my outfit for today's video, because I was feeling like just showing you the completed look. So yes, this is the finished makeup look. Like I said, perfect 15-minute everyday, super easy. So yes, girl, now I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and let them braids down, honey. By the way, shout out to my sis Jomi for doing my braids. I love you, honey. I will leave her IG in the description box if you guys do want to follow her hair page or book her, because she's bomb, and she actually did my braids super duper quick. I was like gagging, and I love them. So I'm about to struggle real quick to show y'all my outfit, because I do have a zoom lens, so yeah, bear with me. But yeah, I do have a Fashion Nova romper, and this is actually their printed flame romper. I'll leave it in the description. It's the orange shade. It's super cute. It's giving hot girl summer vibes. So yeah, and I love the back detailing. So I paired it with my black bag from H&M and my Vans. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and until next time, guys, bye.